Okay, so we are going to start using our knowledge from the factor activity that you should have completed before this. We are going to build on that and we're going to find the greatest common factor of two whole numbers. So we know that a factor, that's two numbers that are multiplied together. So each of those numbers that are multiplied together, those are called factors. Okay, so factors. Actually, you guys wrote that definition on your last sheet, so I won't write it again. But we know what factors are. We are going to find the greatest. That means the biggest or largest. The greatest common, remember, that's something that they share or the same. The greatest, I'm going to say shared. Find the greatest common factor of two whole numbers. So we'll start with number one. So I want to know the factors of 4 and 8 so that I can find the greatest common factor, or the GCF. Let's put that up here because kids always ask me what the GCF is. It stands for greatest common factor. Let's also put the level on there. Level 3. Or level squiggles. Let's put level 3 over here. Whoop. Come on, computer. Don't be this way. Level 3. I'm going to put it in a little cloud just for fun. All right. So, number one, 4 and 8. We're trying to find the GCF, or the greatest common factor of 4 and 8. So we have to find the factors of 4 and 8. So I left some space over there for us to find those factors. So right away, we're going to get our calculator out. And we're just going to do 4 divided by 1. Oh, that equals 4. That means 1 times 4 makes 4. Now let's do 4 divided by 2. This is telling us whether 4 is divisible by 2. Oh, it is divisible by 2. So 2 times 2 makes 4. And that is it for 4. So those are the factors of 4. So we're going to go in order. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 4. Because 2 shows up twice, we only need to write it once, okay? Even though 2 times 2 makes 4, we only need to write it once. So let's go ahead and write the factors of 8. So 1 times what makes 8? So we have to type in our calculator, 8 divided by 1. Oh, what do you know? It makes 8. Now let's try 2. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So it's going to be 2 times 4. That makes 8. And let's try 3. 8 divided by 3. Ooh, that's a decimal. Yuck. 8 divided by 4. Oh, that's 2. We already have 2 times 4 on there. 8 divided by 5. Nope. So those are all the ways that I can multiply to make 8. So again, I'm going to write 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay? So those are all my factors. I'm going to circle all the ones, circle all the ones that they share. They share 1, but guys, every number shares a 1 with another because 1 goes into every number. Okay, they share a 2. They also share a 4. So remember, we're looking for the greatest common factor. Okay, the greatest means it has the most value. It means it's the largest. It means it's the biggest. So 4 is our greatest common factor because it's the biggest number that they both have as a factor. Okay, I'll do one more. Which one's kind of hard? Let's do 14 and 44. So let's do number 6. This is on the back. 14 and 44. Okay, so we have 14 and we have 44. All right, so 1 times something makes 14. You should start to notice some patterns here. 1 times something makes 14. What could it be? Let's type in 14 divided by 1. Oh, what do you know? 1 times 14 makes 14. Does 2 times something make 14? Let's check. 14 divided by 2. Oh, look, what do you know? 2 times 7 makes 14. Let's try 3. 14 divided by 3. Now, decimal, yuck. Oops, not 17. Let's do 14 divided by 4. No, it's not a huge decimal, but it's a decimal all the same. 14 divided by 5? No. 14 divided by 6? No. And we already know that 14 divided by 7 is going to be 2. We already have 2 times 7 on there. So we're going to be done with 14. So the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. 1 times 14 makes 14, and 2 times 7 makes 14. I put them in order from least to greatest. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so factors of 44. So we know that 1 times 44 makes 44, okay? That's something that's going to be on every single one of these. 1 times the number is going to be the number. So 1 is a factor of every number. So let's see if 2 is. 2, whoops, wrong order. We're going to do 44 divided by 2. Oop, 2 times 22. What do you know? Let's do 44 divided by 3. Oop. No. 44 divided by 4. All right, it looks like 4 times 11 makes 44. Let's do 44 divided by 5. Now 44 divided by 6. Now 44 divided by 7. No, so I believe we're done with 44s. So let's go ahead and write. So we have 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, and 44. So we're circling the numbers they both have in common or that they share. They both have a 1, they both have a 2. And what? Wait, what? Looks like just 2. Okay, so our GCF is indeed 2 because that's the biggest number that they both have as a factor. All right, y'all, so the rest is up to you. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8, 9, 10. May the force be with you.